my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do mini twists on my head. I start off by parting my hair in 3 big sections and then working on each section at a time, starting at the back. Now for me, because I can't really see the back of my head, I don't really, try too hard on my parts, so I don't really care if they're that clean. I then apply my product of choice to the row that I parted, making sure that I smooth the products in and detangle my hair as much as I can, because you don't want to do this on tangled hair. After I apply all my product and detangle, I part off the first section for the first twist and then split it into 3 and then start braiding the roots. You can just twist hair, but I find that my twist lasts longer when I braid the roots first. I'm gonna try my best to explain this next part, but once you twist about braid about less than half an inch down, you want to take the section in the middle and then split it into 2 into like the 2 end sections, and then you basically twist your hair by switching the hair strands from hand to hand, and then you want to after a while then you want to twist one of the strands around your finger before switching it off again. You're gonna see as you watch, you're gonna see me do it. But basically twist, so you switch from hand to hand, and then before you switch one of the strands, you twist. So twist, switch, twist, switch. I hope I explained that properly, but once you get to the ends of your hair, you want to add more products and then twirl the ends so that the ends could be curly. Mine aren't curly here because that's just my hair. It starts off straight and then it curls. So I'm gonna demonstrate it again. So you're gonna braid the roots. You're gonna split that section into 3 and then proceed to braid the roots. And then you're gonna separate the middle section, and then you're gonna twist, wrap, twist, wrap until you're all the way at the bottom. I'll be quiet and let you watch. Okay, so I'm back, but basically you also want to keep detangling your hair throughout this process because your hair might get dry, so you also want to spray it too. I'm just showing you the back section here, but you want to spray it and detangle it to make sure that your hair stays moist throughout this process, because your hair will dry up if you move as slow as I do when I'm twisting my hair. But don't get discouraged if your hair doesn't look like mine when you do it. Mine didn't look like the people in the videos that I watched when I first started doing my hair. Everything takes practice and time, so you just have to keep practicing. But here, I forgot that I was supposed to be twisting, and as you can tell, I started braiding a lot, and then I realized you're not supposed to be braiding, you're supposed to be twisting. And then so basically if this happens to you, you just loose it to where you want it to be and then split the middle section and then proceed to twist. And then when I get to the front of my hair, I apply edge control around the perimeter just to smooth it out a bit more. Here I'm showing you a better view of how I braid and twist in the front part of my head. While you watch me braid the front of my hair, I just thought I would share some tips. When you're twisting, be sure to run your fingers down the length of your hair so that the bottom of your hair doesn't get tangled while you're twisting, because it will twist up. It happens when you're braiding your hair too. So that's just something to keep in mind. Another tip I would share is that to make sure that the strands that you're working with, the two strands that you're working with, are even and that they share the same thickness. It helps with how your twists come out and how they look. And basically that's all the tips that I have for right now. Well, for the rest of this video, but you're gonna hear me at the end, so I'll just let you guys watch. Once you've twisted your entire head, then you're all done. I hope this video helped you out with learning how to twist your hair on your own, and don't forget, practice makes perfect. So if it didn't come out good the first time, just keep trying and you'll get good at it. I promise. I was not this good when I first started. But I really hope that this video helps some of you out, if not all of you. And I hope that you enjoyed it. Have a great day and don't give up. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below if you've tried this hairstyle before, if you're going to try this hairstyle, and subscribe and share if this video helped you in any way. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in another video.